Welcome back everybody to another video. In this video, we're here with this Honda Civic Si, and we're doing front lower control arms, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get into it. Here's the part number for the driver's side, RK622038. Here's the part number for the passenger side, RK622039. Jack the car up, take off the front wheels. On the front you have a 17mm bolt. Go ahead and take that all the way out. The back part of the control arm has a 14mm bolt. Go ahead and take that all the way out. Take the cotter pin out of this nut here on the ball joint. And this is what it looks like, so make sure this hook part is pulled away from the nut and then pull it out just straight out of the hole. Use a 17mm to loosen up this nut until it hits here, because you're not going to be able to pull it all the way off. If you turn the wheel all the way to the outside, they have this little arm here. That's where you put the pry bar. And then while you're prying on that, another person comes over here and pounds this with a hammer. And then this guy comes out. Now you can unscrew the rest of the nut, because now you have clearance, and pop that guy out. Then we could put the new control arm in. Jack up the control arm till the body just barely starts moving. That means there's going to be a full load on it. And now we can go in front here and tighten this bolt down. You're going to tighten that bolt now. With the control arm jacked up, now's the time to tighten down this castle nut. Once it's pretty tight, you're going to want to find the very next hole that lines up so you can throw your cotter pin through it. At this point, you just put the wheel back on, tighten down the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and you're done. Do the same steps on the other side. Hopefully this video helped you out, saved you some money. If it did, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.